Welcome to the in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go into the notification panel, and as can you see here we got the 918 notification panel just icons. Just to change some here on your notification panel, to add or to remove some icons, or just to change their positions, you should go here on the left down corner of your notification panel to the edit icon, and here you'll see more icons that they are not visible on your notification panel. Only these icons they are visible, and if you want to just add some from these icons, for example the location icon, hold this icon and drag it here to this up section. And now if we'll go back, you'll see here the new location icon on your notification panel. By the same way, we can just add here the dark theme icon and the invert colors. And also, if you want to just turn on to remove some icons from here, hold it for a while, drag it to the down section, and by the same way we can delete or remove more icons here from our notification panel. And you should just go back to save the changes, and as can you see, that's really simple. And if you just want to change the icons positions here, you should just hold for a while the icon and drag it, for example here. So if you want just to the Wi-Fi icon will be first, then we'll just here add the torch icon, and the third one will be the auto rotate icon. You just should hold the icons and drag it to the position where you want to just change, and then just go back to save the changes. And as can you see, that's really simple at how to change your notification panel shortcuts on Motorola G71 5G. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.